channel. The other time we did something like this, we did this spiral, and I promised to continue on another video entirely for us to see the way I made this bead. So now I'm going to the second stage, and I'll be dropping the link for the first one here so that you can see the way I did this spiral. It's so lovely, so beautiful. So I want to go to the next stage now, which I'm going to be embellishing this place to bring out the design on which I put this gold. So I'll be using yellow and this powder blue. So let's see the way I'm going to do it now. So you have your fish line tie to the beginning of your spiral. This is where I started it. This is the first line. This is where it started. So you take your fish line to the first yellow. Can you see? You take your fish line, your needle, you bring it out. Then you pick 4. No, you pick 2. At this point, if you are using 0.3, if you are using size 3 sand bead for your work, you have to use the same sand bead for the embellishment. And if you are using size 2, you have to use size 2. Because I use size 3, I'm going to continue with size 3. But for this one, I use size 2, and I use size 2 for the embellishments to make the design, to bring the design out. So you now take your crystal bead blue or any color that you want to use, and you see it is two yellow, 1 crystal bead, and the other one, and the other yellow, making 1, 2, 3, 4. So what you are going to do is you now put your needle into this, you leave this one out, then you now put your needle here, then it now goes back to the, can you see what I'm doing? Now take it back, and you see, then you now pull. So we do it easy, gently. I pull it, and you see. So you now take your needle back to the second one. Then you now take 2 yellow, 1 sky blue, and 1 yellow. You pull it down. And now take it through. This is what you are going to be doing. Run. So you come out again. You come inside here again. You take 2 yellow. One powder blue, 1 yellow. Bring it down. And you leave this one come through this place. And then mix up here. So this is what we are going to be doing round till where we get to the end. After finishing, then we now go to this gold. After going through it, then we now come to this gold. The way I fix this gold. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Sorry, this one's supposed not to be here. I need to fix it down before I put this one. So don't make that mistake. That's good. Go down. Can you see? Let's go down. You pull it. And you now take two yellow, one blue, one yellow. You continue down. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Can you see what I'm doing? This is the second stage. So you pick two yellow, one powder blue, and one yellow. And you now let it go down. Take it from the powder, from the crystal bead, down to the next one. Let's see. Two yellow, one powder blue, one sky blue. So beautiful, you're beautiful. So to achieve the last design on it, the round side of it, you are going to start picking this C bead. I'll be picking 5. See where I tied the fishing line here to continue the embellishment, the last part of it. So I will have to take it through this place. Up. I'm picking 5. You can pick 6. You can use 7, depends on what you want, depends on your style. But I'll be using 5. So I'll be using 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let me make it 6. This is 6. And I will have to go through this place, through this needle. Let me open up this hook. So I will pick 6 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6. But for me to use this one, I will leave this one. I will not use it. I will use the next one. Then I'll pick 6 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6. You will use, I will leave this one, then take this one. That is how we are going to be doing it. You leave one, you take the other one. I will be doing it round. I will leave this one, take the other one now. Let me pick 6. And don't forget the one that we are leaving, we are still coming back to it. This is 5, 6. So I will use this one. You see the design is coming out now. Like right now, I will increase the number of the sand bead I'm taking. I will pick 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't forget, you have to leave the one that follows. Then you take this one. I'll be picking 8, 8 now. So I will leave the next one, take the other one, the one that follows. That is how it will continue till I reach the end, to the end. And after getting to the end of it, then I will now come back again, start from here, then pick the one that I left, the one that I've left, then that's how it will go. So I will leave this one, take this one. You leave this one, and I'll take this. That is how it will continue to go. Can you see? Now to embellish for the second time, this is where I'm starting. Can you see? So I'll be taking 6, 6 from here to the one I had left before. Hope you do not forget that there is one that we left. We left some parts, which that is where I'm going to be filling now. I will be taking 6, 6 to fill the space that we left earlier on. So this is it, 6. This is how it will look like. So you take 6. When you are getting to the center, you take 8, then 6 back. So you fill in the one that you left. Can you see? Let me put 6 again. Hope you can see what I'm doing. So you do it round. So let me see yours. You try it at home. And please subscribe to my channel. Try yours at home and comment if you have any questions. Thank you for staying by. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.